Alright, trying, these new Meta glasses. So I completely forgot kind of forgot I had another car. It's been sitting in my buddy's house. I just looked at the date stamp when I dropped it off last time. It was like middle of 2020. Bought a car for like 300 bucks. No title, just using it for parts. So we're gonna go rescue it today. It's been sitting. That's a nice McLaren. It's been sitting in the woods behind his house next to a pond for going on about 5.5 years. I'll show y'all what it is here in a minute, but look at this clean thing. Wow, that's like dream supercar. I don't know, the best one you could probably daily drive. But yeah, let me get to his house because it's about a 40-minute drive, and I'll show you what I'm doing. All right. As you can see, behind my buddy's house in Atoka. Oh, in the woods. There's a boat. Yeah, I'm gonna resurrect this thing, or I'll at least try to. And my buddy Chase's coupe, we're gonna try and pull that out today too. Yeah, it's been literally sitting back here for a long ass time. It looks a little rough. I think it's still salvageable. It's just really gross looking. But I'll explain what engine we're gonna put in it later. Oh, I didn't know we cut that. That's gonna suck. I might find a chassis harness. But yeah, here it is. Just sitting here. Not horrible. But also look at this thing. He stripped this down a long time ago and he's gonna start doing LS swap. But he found some deal on another car for pretty much nothing. That was already LS swap, so he sold that. So we're gonna try and bring this back to life also. He's got everything for it, if I'm not mistaken. Engine, trans, harness, everything. It's just gotta get back together. Shouldn't be horrible, but yeah, this can be fun. Oh, let's try and get some air in all these tires. It's a little funky inside. It's not horrible. I'm gonna throw these seats away, clean the carpet, all this stupid shit. I got door panels at home. It is a little funky in there, but yeah, it won't be that bad. Yeah, it's kind of cool spot. We tested some Sea-Doos back here. I don't think I ever showed it on YouTube, but it's kind of cool to see his pond. It's definitely down a little bit than last time I was here. But yeah, we tested a few Sea-Doos in this pond. Wow, that's fun times. If you ever get a chance, get your buddies together and get some cheap two-stroke Sea-Doos off like Marketplace or something and tinker with them, get them running good, and go hit up a river. It's fun. All right, I'm gonna get. Oh fuck. Need more?
Yeah, it's kind of rolling.
Brake on? It's a foot brake.
Oh, it's
hit it on for a sec.
Oh, the drive shaft's still fucking in.
I could have sworn we undid that.
I need some more slack.
More slack.
Hell, pull on it and see if I can.
A little more.
Yeah, I need a little.
Oh. Good. The key's still in it? So when I go up there, go left. Which way should I go when I pull up to the top of the hill?
You might have to go right.
Go right? Alright. It'll be alright. Can you see out of that? It makes some.
I'll be alright.
Alright. Well, we got it out. Piece of cake. Let's go get yours.
Are we loading this in that trailer today?
No, we don't have to.
I'm saying because I still got shit in there.
No, you're good. No, you're good. I figured I'm gonna find me some really long jumper cables, and that battery I think goes to the door. I can just put jumper cables from my truck to it, power the winch.
Oh, okay.
We can do that a different day.
We got a jump box and everything.
I figured this is a good starting spot.
Yeah.
We just want to pull it like right next to it. It's kind of out of sight. Or put.
What do you mean, go around the back side of it?
Yeah, we can put it like.
Yeah, I mean that's not. Just go slow because it's whipping the fuck out of the bottom of this motherfucker.
Oh, the drive shaft. Yeah.
Like,
I didn't want to go slow right there because I thought I was gonna get stuck.
Oh my god, damn, that thing's whipping the fuck out of it.
I'm gonna get a new chassis harness. I didn't realize I cut the whole body control module out.
Oh.
So that's gonna be fun. But I found a bunch of these in junkyards. Like,
Make everything straight.
I know. Let's get your drive shaft or your steering column. Come on now.
How hard is it to put in?
It's 2 bolts. We can literally just slide it in there. I want to double check something so you don't go in the pond. Okay. That wheel free up. Yeah, that one wasn't spinning. Why is that one still in the air?
I don't know, we're three-wheeling.
What the fuck? Oh. Well, that wasn't too bad.
Somebody some breakfast.
All right. Yeah, not sketchy at all. Using the Z or strap, pull this thing out. Yeah. This should go great. Hopefully this tire stops it from rolling down this ramp and plowing into my garage. That wasn't fun, but it's out. Okay. I think I do a little before and after. This car's been sitting for about 5 years. Like, it's pretty funky. This is caked in crap. It's moldy. I'm not even gonna get started on the inside. But I figured I'd clean it real quick so it doesn't look as much of an eyesore for my neighbors. still have the whole front end actually off the car. But yeah, I figured I'd do a little before. Yeah, I wasn't really gonna use this car, but I just thought it's just sitting around. I can get a title for it and get that squared away, and kind of put a, you know, don't waste the shell, I guess you could say. Because I mean, I got it for I think $300, maybe $400. And I really just needed it for like the front subframe because mine was broken on my old sedan. I mean, this car's straight frame rails. Everything looks good. But yeah, let's do a little cleaning on it and see how it turns out. All right, got the outside clean. There's like some sun fade on this side, which is weird. I don't know what happened there. It was pretty much perfect when I first bought it. As you can see, it's really gross in there. You can see droppings. But I started pulling the seats out. I'm probably gonna throw most of this interior away because it's gross. Might try and save the dash. I don't know, because it's a weird one. I've never seen, like, see the glove box? I've never seen it hump out like that. I don't know. It is a first gen, so it's kind of like that weird, you know, they kind of just, you know, first production of the car, they, you know, figured some things out that, you know, people didn't like. But, yeah, this thing's gross. I've been having, like, a respirator on. Yeah, it's a little funky, but I want to try and get these carpets out, maybe this back seat and the center console out. Try and at least get this thing to air out because it's pretty funky. But right now I'm trying to salvage these seat frames because you can convert them to like use on like aftermarket brackets or on aftermarket seats and actually have power, which would be kind of cool. But yeah, I figure that's good enough of an update for right now on what's going on with this car. You probably saw in the background what engine it's going in it. I might show it here in a second, but it's not going to be a DE, you know, VQ35 DE. It's going to be something with a little bit more power. Still a VQ. Well, no, I'll wait. You might have saw it in the background, but I'll keep it a secret for right now. But thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. It's gonna be a cool swap. Yeah, but thanks for watching. See you later.